ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformers. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence text generator developed by OpenAI that launched on the 30th of November 2022. ChatGPT is capable of generating content across a range of subjects that is both informative and reads as if it has been written by a human. ChatGPT is based on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 language model, which is an improvement on the GPT-3 language model which launched back in 2020. As you know that this software is controlled by humans, this software has also many sources of incomes. In this video we will provide you some methods of making money through ChatGPT. Number 1. Content generation. You could create excellent written content for a blog, website, or social media platform using ChatGPT. Your GPT-generated content may bring in money if you can build a sizable audience and monetize it with ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. A very easy way to go and make money is with this AI bot. Number 2. Copywriting. You can use ChatGPT to generate persuasive, engaging copy for email campaigns, social media posts, and sales pages. You can then sell this service to businesses and organizations that need it. There are several ways to make money as a copywriter. The first and probably easiest option is to apply to an advertising agency or other company as an employee and work there on a regular basis. In this process, ChatGPT is very helpful for you. Number 3. Chatbot Development. You can use ChatGPT to train a chatbot that can answer customer questions, provide customer support, and perform other tasks. You can then sell this service to businesses and organizations that need it. Get paid for your bot's work using services like Facebook ads or Google AdSense to monetize them. Each time a user clicks on an advertisement produced by a bot built with these platforms, small amounts of money are paid out. Number 4. Translation. You can use ChatGPT to train a language model that can translate text from one language to another. Ever because the globalization day began, the follow vocabulary abilities has been on the rise. Today, with thousands of multinational enterprises worldwide, there are more opportunities than ever in the translating business. You don't need to go anywhere for translation of any language because ChatGPT will help you and give you the best translation. Number 5. Research and analysis. You can use ChatGPT to analyze data and generate reports on specific topics. ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to a wide range of topics has been particularly impressive, with some even suggesting that it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Many experts believe that ChatGPT's advanced capabilities will be a valuable asset for companies in fields such as customer service, online education, and market research. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt quickly to new information. This means that it can be trained to handle new topics and tasks without the need for extensive retraining. You can then sell this service to businesses and organizations that need it. Number 6. Educational tools. You can use ChatGPT to develop educational tools like language learning apps, writing assistants, and proofreading software. As you know that this is the bot software and also controlled by humans. It has the answer of everything. It also performs coding, designing, and any other things related to education. You can then sell this service to students, educators, and other individuals who need it. It is important to note that, while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for generating text, it's still a machine, and the generated text should be reviewed for accuracy, bias, and compliance with any specific guidelines or regulations before publishing. You should also comply with any legal and ethical considerations and any terms of service agreements of the platform you're using to access ChatGPT. Several educational institutions have banned its use. Researchers and creatives have worried about copyright infringement because its outputs are based on human-generated texts. It also raises the question of whether it is ethical to use it as a substitute for services that require human interaction, such as customer service representation and even therapeutic counseling. The version that was released in November 2022 can only give details about things that happened in 2021 and earlier. It will soon provide more recent events as it continues to feed on information derived from texts produced by humans. However, users should be aware of this limitation because it uses outdated datasets, which limits its knowledge of facts.